like I was saying earlier about the trees falling. You know, what are the odds that anyone's ever seen that before? No, not back here. Like, look at this one. This one fell over quite a long time ago, and it took some with it. But nobody's ever seen that. Nobody's ever seen that rock. Those roots. This massive tree, like, I don't know if you understand how huge it is. It's, I can't even explain. Peekaboo, what's on the other side? Aha. How about there? What's on the other side of there? Mm-hmm. What about up here, guys? I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. But look at that. What's up there? This is all one tree. Or parts of a couple, but mostly one tree. Because I'll show you the other side. Here. Look at that beautiful moss. So nice. Now here's the other side. See, it took that cedar with it. So there we go. It wasn't one tree. And last winter, oh, look at this, guys. Bog orchid. Do you know what a bog orchid is? It almost looks like, the flower looks like little nuns or angels or something. Look it up. You'll see it's really neat. But this is the seeds of the bog orchid. That's how it looks this time of year. Doesn't look like much right now, but this is all little wee angels or nuns, whatever. Bog orchid. Check it out. Pretty neat. So I'll show you the other side anyway of this. And I did harvest this last winter. And it kept me warm a long while, guys. This helped me through the winter, that's for sure. Like, there, look at it. Look at how big that is. It's massive, right? So grateful, so blessed. Yeah. See? Got that tree with it. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. Yes, again, no one else has ever seen it. You and I. So, back on the path, guys. Okay, just so we're clear, my version of the path, well, it's not exactly a path. It's just wherever I feel like walking. Like, here, see? Here, new path. Made it out. So, I have to sharpen my saw. So firewood's going to be on hold for, a little while here. A couple minutes anyway. Or more than a couple minutes. Actually, probably till tomorrow. So, here we go. Back out here. Beautiful cedar. Another one. Amazing. God's country, guys. And we're free to roam. We are free to roam it. Don't ever forget that. Now you see, there's a big one. Alrighty. Catch you next time.